Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for fancy bricks for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it for your WordPress website and how we can deliver it to you for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the direct this product page. Okay. Otherwise you have to open your any search engine and type for Bloggingify store and open our store, and here you can see we have lots of themes and plugins and bricks add-ons also. So if you want to purchase anything else, so you can just explore it and purchase from the Bloggingify store. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about bricks, fancy bricks. Okay, so let me see here. So let me just type here fancy. So here's the fancy bricks, so just click on it, and here's the few details about this product. Okay, use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, license type original license we have. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, other information, and select your payment method according to your country, and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.